This course is very good. Techniques you teach us with SS box, and these are very helpful to remember. My name is Tara Gurung, and currently I'm staying in UK, and I'm working here as SHOs in Watford General Hospital. So I got this while surfing the internet. I found your course and I was very keen to join this. So I was very reluctant whether to continue this course or not. So when I started your course, and I was so overwhelmed with all the techniques you teach us with SS box, and these are very helpful to remember for not only for the exam, for the lifetime as well. And I think this course is very good. I liked it, and it's very thorough, and whatever you taught us is very easy to understand and remember. And I like the way you teach, that encourage us in every way. And I would like to recommend everyone to go through this course because it gives you encouragement to participate in exam, and it gives you confidence as well.